Have you ever asked AI a question and thought, that's not what I wanted? Here's the truth. The difference between a bad answer and a great one often comes down to how you ask the question. Today, I'm going to show you a simple technique called the chain of thought approach that can instantly level up your AI prompts, give you better answers, and help you stand out from the flood of generic AI content clogging the internet today. If you've been stuck wondering if AI is really helping you solve marketing problems, this is going to help you feel better about how and why you're using AI. So what exactly is chain of thought? Well, basically it's just asking AI to think out loud. Instead of AI jumping straight to an answer in seconds, which is what many have come to expect, you tell it to show the reasoning steps it used to get there. Think of it like being a math teacher. If you ask the student for the answer only, you get 14. But if you ask them to show their work, you see first multiply 6 by 7, then divide that by 3. That equals 14. That's chain of thought prompting, and it makes a huge difference in not only relevance in responses, but also context. Here's why this approach matters so much. First, accuracy. When you force the AI to slow down and reason step by step, it makes fewer mistakes, and yes, AI can make mistakes. Second, transparency. You actually see the process, which means you can spot errors or faulty assumptions and correct them. Third, and this is huge right now for marketers, it helps fight the generic wave of low-value AI content flooding the web. And let me go a little bit more into that. Everywhere you look today, you see blog posts and social media updates that all sound the same. Why? Because too many people are using lazy prompts like, write me an article about AI and marketing. And the result? Boring recycled text with no real insight and no real brand personality. If two competitors use this same prompt, write me an article about AI and marketing, their content would be pretty much exactly the same, canceling out the ability for the brand to establish a unique brand position or differentiating point. So with chain of thought prompting, you're not asking the AI to just fill in space. You're asking it to analyze, break things down, and deliver unique structured reasoning that you can shape into original, higher quality content. And the fourth reason why chain of thought prompting really matters is complexity. For multi-layered tasks like planning a PR campaign or building an SEO roadmap, a chain of thought approach gives you a step-by-step framework instead of a shallow summary. Let me give you a few real examples of how this might apply to PR and marketing problems and strategies. For creating SEO or GEO content, instead of saying, write a blog about AI and marketing, you might ask, step by step, explain how AI is changing marketing strategies, consider data, personalization, and content quality. Then create an outline. For PR planning, instead of saying, write me a product launch plan, you might prompt, walk me through the stages of creating a press release and media relations campaign to launch this new product, from audience targeting to media list building to outreach timing. For decision making, instead of saying, should I invest in SEO or paid ads, you might say, think step by step through the pros and cons of SEO versus paid ads for a B2B company, then give me your recommendation. The differences in responses from the AI with this more detailed and specific prompting can be night and day. Okay, so how do you actually apply chain of thought processes to your AI prompts? Well, just add phrases like these to your prompts. Think step by step. Show your reasoning before giving the answer. Explain your thought process, then summarize the conclusion. These small changes unlock a much smarter and more detailed response tailored to your specific PR or marketing challenge. So here's the big takeaway. The key to smarter AI isn't just what you ask, it's how you ask. Chain of thought prompting turns lazy one-liners into structured, insightful answers, and it helps you rise above the flood of generic AI content online. Try it in your next prompt, and if it works, drop a comment below with your example. Well, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to discuss more about how streamlining your PR efforts can be more effective and results driven, reach out to me via email and let's talk. And if you found this video interesting, please visit my YouTube channel and hit like and subscribe so I'll know to make more videos like this in the future. See you next time.